Now
Good
what?
Morning.
Oh, good morning. It is?
Yeah, sun's shining.
Okay. Yep. I guess it's time for a morning fire chat. We managed to scrape up a couple of pieces of wood. Now Alan brought some. So good morning. Coffee. What's been going on? There's been a constant parade of people. You see that in the first part of the video. It was time for some fun. There was too much seriousness going on, so I decided I'd make some fun stuff. So, we've been trying to get the telescope out just a little bit. Took us an hour and a half or 2 hours to set it up for 2 minutes worth of looking at a star before the clouds covered it up. So neither one of us is too excited about doing that again.
Yeah.
You know, now what? Solar? Yeah, it's been really good for me. Alan's been having some trouble with his, but overnight it cleared itself up. I guess Murphy moved on someplace else, so he's got all kinds of power over there now. So.
Yeah. Thank God for that.
I
said, thank God for that.
I was thinking that I have to get you another mic. I gotta get a handheld.
Okay.
So after I first got here, I thought maybe I brought Murphy with me and gave it to him. So I don't know. Neither one of us has been to any seminars. The RTR is geared right at people that are new to this lifestyle, and they're trying to learn everything that they possibly can about it. And then, some of us have been doing it for a while, so it's just kind of repetitious for us. I don't know. I don't mean to sound like that, but it's not too interesting. It's all about solar and batteries and cooking and things like that. Like I said, it's mostly for people that are new to the lifestyle, and so they go to these seminars to learn whatever they can. Am I repeating myself? No. Got a short memory. I can't remember 5 minutes ago what I said. So. It's been really quiet since the concert got shut down. The disco, RTR disco. Vivi said that. So, like I said, it's just been really quiet now. So. I think Alan's gonna go. He's gonna go to town. He's got a cousin that lives in Quartzsite, so he's gonna go do that. And I'm just gonna hang out here, I guess. He's trying to get me to babysit, and I asked Lilly about it, and she said probably not. I just says, yeah, I want to chase the kitty. So you can't see him. Somehow the Wilson jumped up on the bed of the pickup last night.
Yeah.
I don't know how they got up there. I guess, they must have had a hoist and winch or something and lifted each other up there. Alan says he didn't put them up there, so they must have got up there themselves.
No, you was right off the bat, you were blaming it on me.
Yeah, I'd blame it on him. Everything that happens is his fault,
Yeah. His fault.
Got the good coffee, though. I haven't seen Bruce. He's still up over there in the music area, I guess. He says he's pretty comfortable up there and he's not going to move down here, so. And that's fine. I think he's met a couple of people up there that he's getting along with, so. As soon as this thing's over, we'll all go our separate ways anyway for now, and then I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm going to go home. I got some tail lights and brake light issues that I got to get fixed, and that sort of stuff. So be going out to the lake. Ellen said he might be coming up to the lake. So
Yeah.
you think so?
Keep talking about
Huh?
you keep talking about the lake, and I think, Yeah, I want to try that out. So.
Yeah. Yeah, you probably can't hear him.
Oh, I think they probably can. But I've got some other business I got to take care of first.
Yeah.
And then I'll be back up.
I gave him some swivel mounts for his solar that I don't use, that I'm not going to use. So let him have those, and I guess he's going to go somewhere where he can start over on his solar, so he can get them tilted and that sort of stuff. So look at her standing straight up on her hind legs looking.
I see here's something going on over there.
Yeah. So I guess that's probably about it. I can't think of much else to say. What else? You got anything else you want us to talk about?
No.
Okay. After this video, there will be a little short time lapse. When I first started the time lapse, I couldn't see the moon, but as the time went by, I could see it up there. It's just a little sliver, so when you watch it at the end, it's kind of cool. I guess that's it.
For now.
Huh?
For now.
For now, yeah. Talk to you soon.
Adios.
Adios. Adios. Oh, there he goes again, standing up. See him riding around here standing up like that all the time. I don't know. Pretty to sit down. Oh, I got something. Eric, Nomadic Fanatic, sold this scooter. Probably some of you already knew that, and it turns out one of my subs bought it. So he came over the other night. He's kind of sitting outside the camp. Said he was a little nervous about just coming in, so I waved him in and we sat around and talked. His name's Tom. And he likes that little scooter. He really likes it. Said he might kill himself with it, but he likes it.
John, you know what's funny is he was a little hesitant to come right into the camp.
Yeah.
But then there's other people that'll walk right through it, so.
Yeah. Yeah,
Tom
was, huh?
What's the matter with this picture?
Yeah, Alan was saying, if he didn't hear him, Alan was saying that Tom was hesitant about just, coming in the camp, but then other people walk right through the middle of it, not even look, see where they are. So, yeah, okay, that's it. I'll sit here and yak for an hour.
Shall we go? Huh? We'll go?
Say something while you're there.
Something while you're there.
Do it again.
Something while you're there.
Yeah, it might have picked you up. Say goodnight, Gracie.
Good night, Gracie.